Hello and welcome to Room 6's Assembly. This is our response to Monday's Assembly, which introduced Global Goal 2, Zero Hunger.
When children get the right food at the right time, their brains and bodies grow the way they develop the way they should. When this doesn't happen, malnutrition occurs. It robs children of their future and threatens their lives.
UNICEF is the world's leading organisation in preventing and treating all forms of malnutrition. Since 1990, the percentage of undernourished children worldwide has almost halved, but we still have a lot of work to do. Today, 200 million children's lives are at risk because they are malnourished.
Determined to end all forms of hunger for children everywhere, we empower communities and strengthen systems to prevent malnutrition before it occurs. And when it does, we are there to provide for all of the resources to save lives.
Some children have made posters to express their wishes for world hunger to stop now. Maybe some of you would like to create your own poster. If so, please upload your poster to your portfolio and Louise and Emma can make a montage of them. They will then be put on Oscar Manor's school story. Thank you for listening to our assembly, and thank you to all the pupils that contributed. Let's do all we can to stop hunger everywhere in the world by donating to food banks, not wasting any food, buying wonky vegetables so no food is wasted. Can you think of any more things we can do to stop world hunger? Write it down and post it on your Class Dojo portfolio. Thank you for listening. Bye.